machine we have the grinding section. This is where you place all your coffee beans. It can hold up to 200 grams of coffee. Now you can alter if you'd like to have fine or coarse coffee just by turning this knob here. Now the machine's fully automatic, so it will grind your coffee beans fresh for you each time you make a cup of coffee. We also have a 1.6 litre water tank. The machine's fully automatic, so it does let you know when you need to add more water or when you need to add more coffee. On the top of the machine, we have a stainless steel heating plate. It is quite hot, so it will keep your coffee cups nice and warm before you make a cup of coffee. On the side of the machine, we have the brewing section. This is what we call our dread drawer. This is where all your used coffee will go. The machine will beep at you like it is now when this is too full and when you need to clean it. We also have a stainless steel drip tray, and we have here an LCD screen with a touch button control panel. This is where all your icons are. It's very straightforward to use. If you want to make an espresso, you just need to press that button there, which is a half a cup, so it'll make a short espresso for you. If you'd like to make a latte or a cappuccino, press the 1 cup coffee. And if you'd like to heat up your milk, just press the steam button. And that's coffee powder if you'd like to use your ground coffee powder. And that menu settings is where all your main menu settings are located. Now I'm going to start off by making a espresso. So all I need to do is place my coffee cup underneath the nozzle, and all I'm going to do is press the espresso icon. The machine says it's ready for use on the LCD screen. When I press this icon, it will grind the coffee automatically for me and make an espresso. If you want to make 2, all you need to do is press up or down. So I'm just going to make 1. 1 espresso.